Rain falls down, Panda looks out at the sleepy playtown. He grabs his boots all shiny and red, and pops a hat on his fuzzy head. A splash in a puddle, a twirl in the rain, dancing and skipping down the bamboo lane. Raindrops sparkle like jewels in the sky. Panda giggles as the ducks waddle by. He finds a dry spot under a tree and sips warm tea with honey and glee. The clouds drift off and the sun peeks through. A rainbow shines in every hue. Back home he goes, warm and dry. A panda's rainy day, oh me, oh my.